Good day, my beautiful people. Good day, good day. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending wherever you're watching me from. I'm still Mama Pressy Talk Show. Please, guys, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my page, then like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share my videos. May God bless you all. And to those that are subscribed already, may God bless you. May God bless you real good. So today, matter dey matter wey just dey so e get k leg. Matter dey. The matter get k leg. I don't know how to start it. So this woman called me. She tell me say make I talk this thing, make people talk put. See wetin dey happen to her. She called me. She said she married her husband long time ago. She first get one pikin for Nigeria. And this man for here don't first get 2 children for here. She come marry this man. The children wey dey for here, now she dey take care of the children. Now she go bath the children before she come still born her own. She go take care of everything because the mother of the children not dey with this man again. They not dey. The woman dey do her own, they go. So anything wey they do, now she go do one. Carry pikin go doctor, carry them go supermarkets, carry them go school. Now she go help this man before she come born her own. Okay, na say matter. That one not be the problem. The problem now, if this lady send money go give the one way the pikin wey she get for Nigeria, this man go dey vex. If this woman buy clothes, buy anything, say want go give a pikin for Nigeria, she want go give her daughter for Nigeria, this man go dey vex. Because he said because that girl wey dey Nigeria, that girl get papa for Nigeria, make the papa dey take care of her. This woman wey we dey tell, so she dey work, she's a business woman. She dey get money. She dey use the same money dey take care of the children wey another woman born for her husband. She go take care of them, not even with only money. Take care of them like say na her children. Join the one where she still gets. Because she can still born 3 for year. Join the 2 where the man get for year. You see, the problem be say anything, even the woman thought say she want bring a pikin come abroad. Say because the way the daughter they do for Nigeria, she not come like she want carry the girl come make it come join her for year. The man vessel. The man say la over a dead body. He say la he no go gree am. He say he no go gree am la because the girl will come progress. If the girl progress, he go use her and help him papa. You just imagine what some men they do. No, not beside they classify all men or some men. If you know say you want marry woman wey don't first born, men listen to me. If you know say you want marry woman wey first born, wey don't forget children, make sure you marry them and marry the children join them. Marry the children join her, because the woman no fit talk say because she come marry you, make she abandon the one wey first get, or she come born for you, the one wey she keep for Nigeria, she go abandon them because say she don't get husband for abroad. Who does that? Who does that? That man is so greedy. I never see the way this woman talk. I never see greedy man like this man. He's so greedy. He wants everything. The suffer where the woman they suffer, make it the entire in pockets. He still they work, not be say not they work. The man still they work, but he want collect that woman own join in own. Anytime wey e do for e pikin wey dey Nigeria, the man so fight for house. Fight go beat the woman finish. If the woman wan send money now, she go hide, go dey send money. If she wan buy something, if he buy am, go hide am. She no want make her husband see am. What kind of life is that? When you know say the woman don first born, when you know say the woman don first get issue, huh? All of a sudden you just come into that woman's life to tear the mother and the daughter apart. It's not fair. It's not fair. Let's be realistic here. It's not fair. E no good. At first, even if you be woman, you wan marry man wey don fit get pikin, marry the man and marry him children join am. Yes. If not, that home you no get peace. That home you will never have peace. You will never have joy that you are looking for, except you are there for a mission, except you are there for a purpose. Not be marriage, not be married, you come marry. Huh? Some men so selfish, greediness wan kill them. They no wan use eye see this man no wan use eye see this pikin wey dey Nigeria. He no wan use eye see am kaka. But the woman go just dey do for him children wey another woman born for am. The man go dey happy. But if that woman, she say if she do her own, problem go start. The problem now, the woman say she don tire for the relationship. If he wan buy something for a pikin, go dey hide. If she wan give money to her daughter for Nigeria, she go dey hide. Una don see that kind thing before, my people? Una don see that kind thing before? I never see this kind thing before. Some men, if they marry for year, now they say something go they give if the woman don't get pikin for Nigeria, now the men go pass it back, send money go give pikin for Nigeria, just to please the woman you claim you loved. Where is the love? Where is the love between you and that woman? Many men they out there where see they do the same character. They are very jealous. They are very jealous of their stepdaughter, or I just say stepchildren. They are jealous. They want everything to come to them, to their children. No be so. Men I beg, I dey beg una, na beg I dey beg una. Na beg I dey beg una. If you know say you wan marry any woman wey e don first born, please